This is how I ship. And oh gosh. Ah! Hey Jody, Marketplace Boutique. And today I woke up and I thought, oh, I want to do something kind of lovely, kind of crafty. So I found some goodies on Amazon. You can get this stuff. It's just like a organza fabric. And you can get this at any like fabric store really cheap. The last time I looked it was like 99 cents. This was like $6 for a small roll. It's in a roll, it's kind of nicer. You can cut the piece you want. I figured I'd do some cute stuff today because it's almost Valentine's. And then I found these on Amazon. And I think you could probably get these at a craft store, and they come in all different colors. There's like yellow, there's blue, there's all different like colors. I just got the cheap because I like to save money, that's why. So I thought I'd do a little bit of a pretty shipping day. I don't have a lot to ship, so I'll just show you some examples of what you can do, and it really doesn't cost anything. Now this is getting a little messy. This was a good idea. But I keep like my thank you stickers on this, and then I just keep pulling them off as I need them. But I might have to organize this a little better. My thought was good. It is a little messy, but you can take these stickers and put them on these. What? That just turns it out to a whole new level. And I think these are boring. I bought these and I haven't been using them because I feel like they're extremely boring. But if you put them on these, how cute is that? I'll show you. Sorry if I'm smacking my gum. I know that drives people crazy, and when I look at it on these videos, it is kind of gross. I used to drive my teachers nuts. Okay. Look at that! It turned a really ugly sticker into something kind of cute. I like that. And I'll show you how I ship with them. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, I'm just feeling crafty today and I can't help it. So let's see what I do with this. Oh, I like it. Okay, so here we have a Macy's sweater. And I'm gonna pack this up, and I bought like a whole palette of Macy's items, and they're really nice. They're very nice, and I would definitely buy another palette of Macy's. It's good quality stuff. It's comfortable. I really like Macy's clothes. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna put this in here. I thought I'd just get a little crafty today. I'm feeling crafty, so. Ooh, I'm tearing it. That's great. What a great way to start it off. Okay. So this is how I ship. And, oh gosh. Ah! Don't do that. Okay. Okay, so there. It's all nice and secure. And let's think here. So I have the stuff I bought at Amazon. This came in. I cut a little piece off the other day. So, seems like there's some thread attached. Okay, so I go this way. How much do I need? Will that be enough? So I'm just gonna cut a piece of this. Now you can buy this at any fabric store, cheaper probably. And it does, they do sell the stuff by the yard. Now this one's a little bit more fancier, like dressier. But they sell like the cheaper stuff. Just as good. Okay, so I'm gonna just do this. I probably would recommend this if you have like a ton of packages. There's days where I just have so many and I would not be doing this. But today, this is one that just paid, and so I only have one right now. The rest I got out earlier. So, there. They do a good job. Yeah, that's cute. And I have these really ugly stickers that I hate. I bought these. I thought they were cute at the time. I absolutely hate them. I think they're freaking ugly. So, let's see here. Do I have one open? Let's see here. Going to take this. Open. There, I think it's open. Okay. So these are like little, I think they're called like placemats or like little cup mats. What do you call them? Coasters? Yeah, I think that's the word. I got these on Amazon. That's how that looks. I think that's so cute. If I got this for a present, I would love it. I never get presents from anybody but my husband. And he's so nice. But he never goes out of his way to make anything pretty. Okay. So then I have these really ugly stickers. But look at how cute this is. Now if you have nails, it might be a little hard to get them apart, but it'll go. It'll be fine. See, look at how cute that is. Oh, I'm obsessed with how darling that is. Oh my goodness. What? The world. Who did that? Who did that? Oh my goodness. Who made that awesome? It's me. Okay, so then I also thought, oh, you could even use these like, I have some white ones. I have pink ones. And they come in all different colors. And sizes too. I thought this size was nice. I'm going to keep the little baggies so they don't get dirty or dusty. But you could also put these stickers on. I got these on Amazon too. And I can put the link below. I do have an affiliate with Amazon, so sometimes I'll get a small commission from that. But I would never show products that I don't use, because that doesn't make sense to me. So, you know, you could go like this. Oh my goodness. Like, oh, how cute is that for Valentine's Day? And the funny thing is, before I got married, I never had anybody on Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day was kind of sad to me. I never had anybody to spend my day with. So it's so nice being married. Oh, look at that one. And I forgot to turn on my light. I always forget something. It can never just be normal. Hello. Is that better? Okay. Look how cute that is. It looks a little washed out to me. So where's my other one? Okay. So, and then I just tear these off. I try to keep them organized, but I think I need a better system. And right now I just have this paper towel holder that I put things on, and I put it in a basket because I can't seem to control the mess of it. And then these are my priority mail and my fragile. Okay, and those stickers go up there on the countertop. And I do have extra ones. I kind of been cherry picking them. So I'll just rip these off. Yes, I'm cleaning as I go. I can't help it. Oh, I just love this. This is adorable. Wouldn't you love getting that? Okay, so I'm going to set that aside because I have to weigh this and all that good stuff. So that's going there. And then I've been sending out a lot of jewelry and ornaments, so I'll show you how I do that. And then I use these boxes a lot for jewelry. I don't know if they are jewelry boxes. It's a 4x4, but I got them from just like a company that was closing down. An auction. I do have a video on that actually. And I bought this from the repo lot. Okay, let's see here. So when I do this, like I can take some, I'm just pretending by the way. This is not an order. This is pretend. Okay. So then you can just like go like this. And you can stuff something cute in there. I will just go with my Nikon cap. That's what's in there. Okay, we're pretending. We're pretending. Okay. Watch me ship my Nikon cap. There we go. Okay, so then we'll take another strip of this. And I folded it over so that would go quicker. This is so cute. I love this stuff. And like I said, I would only do this if I just have extra time. If I have like 20 packages, this is not something I would do. I might put the heart in there. I'm definitely not wrapping them in organza if I'm totally busy though. Okay. That is cute. I wonder if I could even go around a second time. Could I? Oh, my lands. Oh, my Lanta. Okay. So you could do this too. If you cut it long enough, you might be able to go around it twice. Now, I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. This might be a no-go. Wait, no, I'm doing it wrong. No. Okay, wait a minute. Let's try this again. So you go up here on the bottom and then you twist it. There we go. Sometimes I wrap my presents like this at Christmas time. I don't wrap every present, but if I have somebody, like I only give one gift a year or two, I'll wrap it special for them. I feel like I take a lot of time when I buy Christmas gifts, so I like to show them nicely. Especially to people you only give gifts to every once in a while. You want it to be nice. Okay. So I think I would, if I were to do that twice, I would probably cut this a little longer just to make it more floppy and cute. Because you have to be cute when you do it. Now these are kind of leaving little pieces everywhere, so you probably might have to even sweep up after every package you get out. Will that fit on there? Get on there. Get on there. Oh, look how cute that is. What? Or you could do like a red. Oh my goodness. Is that for me? Oh my goodness. 4x4 box fits perfectly on a 4-inch coaster. Look at that. I amaze myself. That's so cute. So, you know, if you send this out, and you can bubble wrap it still if you want, and just make it more secure. But I think if somebody were to get something like this, or this, they'd probably be so happy. I think I would be so thrilled to get something like this. So I'll leave the link below for these. This would be cute too. Oh my goodness. I'm kind of excited. I might have to buy shamrocks. I wonder if I can find shamrocks for Shamrock Day. For St. Patty's Day. This is kind of fun. I thought stickers were kind of fun, but I like this too. Okay. Maybe I won't sell a lot, so I can just be crafty. Alright, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you have time to get a little bit of crafty on this Valentine season. Have an awesome, amazing day.